Hi everyone, welcome back to a new German lesson. So today's topic is close to everyone's heart. The topic is family. So in this video we will learn how to address our family members in German. Let's get started. Now what do you call a family in German? The word for family is Familie. Familie. Familie is a plural noun, therefore die Familie. Now what do we have in a family? We have our parents, our grandparents, then we have our siblings, aunts and uncles, and our cousins. Right? So we will learn the vocabulary related to each and every member of the family. Let's start with parents. So what do we call parents in German? Eltern. Eltern. Eltern is again a plural noun. Therefore die Eltern. So in Eltern we have our mother and our father, right? So what do we call a mother in German? Mutter. Mutter. And father? Vater. Vater. Die Mutter, der Vater. Very similar to English, right? Now let's talk about our grandparents. So what do we call our grandparents? Großeltern. Großeltern. This is also a plural noun. Therefore, die Großeltern. Now in Großeltern we have our grandmother and our grandfather. So what do we call a grandmother in German? Großmutter. And our grandfather, Großvater. Die Großmutter and their Großvater. Now in German, you can also address your grandparents in an informal way. So how do we do that? We will use Oma for Großmutter and Opa for Großvater. So these are informal way of addressing your grandparents. Okay, moving on to our siblings. Okay, so what is the word for siblings? It is Geschwister. Geschwister. This is also a plural noun. Die Geschwister. So we have in Geschwister, we have our sister and our brother. Right? So what is the word for sister? It is Schwester. And for brother it is Bruder. Die Schwester and their Bruder. Now you can also distinguish your siblings basis the age. So suppose you have an elder sister. You can say meine große Schwester. And for younger sister you can say kleine Schwester. And similarly for brother you can use großer Bruder. And for younger brother, kleiner Bruder. Okay, now we have aunts and uncles. Okay, so what is the word for aunt? It is Tante. Tante. And for uncle it is Onkel. Die Tante, their uncle. So here you cannot distinguish basis the age. So there is no distinction basis the age. Lastly, let's talk about our cousins. Cousins are called cousins. Cousins. It spells the same as English, but the pronunciation is cousins. Again, a plural noun. D. Cousins. So cousins can be divided into a female cousin and a male cousin. So a female cousin is known as cousina and a male cousin is known as cousine. Die Cousine and their cousine. So here also you cannot distinguish basis the age, unlike Geschwister. No distinction basis the age. Okay, so now let's quickly recap what we have learned. We have learned that father is Vater and mother is Mutter. Grandmother is Großmutter or informally Oma, and grandfather is Großvater or informally Opa. Brother is Bruder and sister is Schwester. You can specify older or younger siblings by adding grosser for older and kleiner for younger. And aunt is Tante, uncle is Onkel. And finally, cousin is cousine for male cousins and cousine for female cousins. And that's it for today's video on relative names in German. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more language related content. Thanks for watching. Bis bald.